Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Easy Notes. To begin, simply tap the plus icon at the bottom right of your screen to create a new note. Type your title and content, then tap the check mark to save. It's designed for quick capture, allowing you to jot down thoughts in under 10 seconds. This initial step is fundamental for all your note-taking needs. Keeping your notes organized is key to productivity. You can create custom folders, perhaps for work, personal, or projects, to categorize your notes effectively. Additionally, assign relevant tags like meeting or idea to each note for quick retrieval. The powerful search bar allows you to find any note instantly by typing just a few keywords, even across hundreds of entries. Easy Notes offers several advanced features to enhance your experience. You can easily attach files such as images, audio recordings, or documents directly to your notes, enriching their content. Set timely reminders for specific notes, ensuring you never miss an important deadline or task. Furthermore, share notes with colleagues or friends, enabling seamless collaboration on shared projects or ideas. Personalize your Easy Notes experience by choosing from several attractive themes to match your style. When you need to share or archive your notes outside the app, you can export them in popular formats like PDF, plain text, or even HTML. Remember to regularly back up your notes to a cloud service or local storage, safeguarding all your valuable information against any unforeseen data loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.